Angel, tell me.
Respecting and obeying them.
And one more thing you can do in the class. By helping, by keeping discipline, you cooperate with the teacher. Yes or no?
Yes.
Am I clear to you? That is called cooperation. Now, in your family, how do you cooperate with your parents?
By helping.
Now, put your hands up, put your hands up. Now, listen. Tell me. Speak loudly. By obeying, by studying your lessons, respecting. Anyone? Tricia, can you say a little more better way? So different ways you can cooperate with your teacher in the class, with your friends in the class, with your parents in the class and so on. That is called the cooperation.